remember last video? Yeah, that's what we're doing. We brought my dog, and now we're trying to find the cat again.
Yeah.
You might think that my dog will eat it, but no,
But-
my dog likes cats, but cats don't like it. But
Yeah.
well, it's worth a shot.
Yeah. Her dog loves cats. Her dog would never kill a cat. Dipper would never kill a cat. Dipper, what are you doing? Walking on that bridge is not fast, it's slow. So I am taking the water.
I didn't put it the right. It's kind of breaking the thickness. I didn't put the right
Hey, let's go.
kind of breaking.
Dipper! Come here, Dip! He's sniffing for the cat. This could totally work for us.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, I didn't put stick it
Dipper, sniff out that cat. Okay, like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, turn on those notifications, so that every time we post something new, you will know about it. Okay, so in last video, we found a cat, and Olivia found a cat, and Dipper right now is sniffing the cat's trail, I believe. If she crashed. Crossed the water. Go sniff, Dipper.
Whenever he takes off, okay, he doesn't wait.
Okay, we need to go further up.
I think it was right here. No. Right here, this exit.
Olivia. Sorry, you guys. Sorry you guys can't see what they're doing right now, but I slipped in some poke bushes in last video, and I'm still pricking out thorns from my foot so I don't have to go to the doctor like in last video.
We got a cat print. We got feet print. We got footprint.
Footprints, just like in last video.
It looks like some footprints. All of those.
Oh, there's some cat prints.
Yeah.
There.
We got the cat prints. Cat prints.
Cat prints. Cat print.
Okay, you guys follow that way. I'll follow the dog.
No, it's like the cat is. No, it's literally the cat is coming up here. Look, the cat prints.
Two cat prints. Right? Wait,
Yeah.
no, this one got something many times. These are
See?
just guys.
Look.
Guys. Those are coyotes. When I scream, that means you have to end the video.
Okay.
But those are pure cat. Because
Okay.
you know how CWC, like people do their videos with that. Okay, those
Okay.
are pure cat prints.
And those, I think, are Dipper's prints. I think those are Dipper's prints.
Oh, over there. Those are coyote prints. Yeah.
Or coyote prints. Ah. Right
Yep.
there, too.
Yeah, those are coyote prints. Coyotes come over
Look
here.
at how clear that water is.
Yeah.
But then it's all nasty over down
It's
there.
so dirty.
Because it's getting dirty from all the people. Okay, we're going to go follow Olivia.
No, we're gonna go this way.
We're going to follow Olivia. And we're going to
No,
see what she's doing. Hey, Olivia, what are you doing? Did you just find a stick? She has a stick.
Dipper. Look for a cat. Cat.
Dipper, look for the cat. Look for the cat. He does not like.
lost his mind.
He does not like the camera in his face.
No, Dipper did on my videos. I got a walkie stick.
Dipper. He just ran by. And now he's moving further. Where's the cat, Dip? Where's the cat?
Yeah, because our feet print was like right down in here. Oh yeah, you got it from here.
Down here, I think. We're refreshing over.
Found another! Found another! We found another. That's my dog. Wait, it's like right here. That's footprints. Our feet. Like, I found one. Like me and Justin found one. Yep, right here.
No, not those.
That's really small.
No, that's not. That's not
no.
the footprint we saw.
No.
We saw pure dippers drinking out of the water. We saw
Pure cat print.
we saw pure cat prints.
Like a whole cat print with the bumps in them.
They're pretty tiny though.
Yeah. That's why they're hard to spot. They were these were different prints. But some of those are coyote prints.
I'm trying to I'm trying to track down where I slipped. Because if I find where I slipped, then that will. Here, I need up here, and then if I find where I slipped, kinda.
Oh, it was over there. It was over there. Guys,
Are you sure it was over there? I thought it was right down here.
No, it was over there because I remember when you looked over, you saw that great bottle. Wait, or was it over here?
I think it was over here.
Yeah, I think so. Well, I don't see no cat prints over here. You see it. Whoa! Got a coyote print.
Coyote print, I believe, yeah. Yep, that's either a raccoon or a coyote print. I believe it's a coyote print.
I believe.
Wait, there's more tracks over here.
More tracks over there.
More tracks. There's a lot of tracks over here.
I'm gonna pop over there.
Okay. Wait, this is a print, a dog print, I think. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
a dog print.
Yeah, I'll pop over here. Let's see. Come on, over to this side.
Okay.
I think
Dipper, don't bump into me.
we might
Dipper
get
just
one.
bumped into me.
Found another dog print.
Dog print.
Dog print right here. Down, and up, down.
I almost slipped.
Okay, we got down. Got that one.
Dog print.
We found another print.
Print.
Coyote.
Dog print. Yeah? Yeah.
When are you gonna scream?
She's not gonna tell us. She's gonna be surprised. Olivia, we have to be next to each other.
You should grab a walkie stick.
A walkie-talkie?
Whoa! I slipped. It goes down the bridge. That'd be nice.
Oh, I just saw something hop.
Yeah, grab that. Grab it.
What?
Grab it for your walkie stick.
I don't need a walking stick.
It's so you don't slip.
I won't slip.
You want to slip?
I'll slip with a walking stick. Trust me, I don't do well with walking sticks.
Trust me, I can slip. I can walkie stick.
Olivia, when are we going to be there? Well, right now we're at the entrance where we entered
Yeah.
instead of where the cat is. But we're going past the entrance. The entrance is... Oh yeah, she's going towards the bridge.
I have an idea.
Like I said, the bridge takes too long.